Welcome back to the Decor channel, where we bring you all the seasonal home decor inspiration you need to make your space truly shine. Today, we're diving into a beautiful winter wreath idea that will bring the timeless charm of French country style straight to your home. If you're looking for ways to add elegance and warmth to your winter decor, you're in the right place. Be sure to hit that subscribe button like this video and leave a comment below to share your thoughts or ask any questions. French country decor is all about rustic elegance, with touches of nature, vintage finds, and cozy details that create a welcoming atmosphere. This winter wreath will be the perfect addition to your front door, living room, or even as a table centerpiece. Whether you're looking for something traditional or with a bit of a modern twist, this design will infuse your space with charm and grace. So, let's jump right into creating your own French country winter wreath. The French country style is inspired by the rolling hills of Provence and the countryside estates that have stood for generations. It's a beautiful blend of rustic, vintage elements with a touch of sophistication. Think of warm, earthy colors, natural textures, and timeless charm that never goes out of style. When creating a French country winter wreath, these principles guide our design choices. This style emphasizes comfort, beauty, and practicality, which is why a wreath made of natural elements like twigs, dried flowers, and winter greenery works so well. It combines nostalgia and romance, all while staying grounded in simplicity and functionality. By carefully selecting the right materials, we can evoke the essence of the French countryside right in your own home. To start, you'll need a sturdy base for your wreath. The foundation of a French country winter wreath is usually made of a natural twig wreath form. This rustic base gives it an authentic, handmade look and allows us to easily attach decorative elements. You can find these wreaths at most craft stores, or even make your own by bundling twigs together. Alternatively, if you prefer a more sophisticated base, a grapevine wreath can offer a slightly smoother, more polished look while still maintaining that natural feel. The key is to select a base that complements the overall rustic elegance you're aiming for. Remember, the wreath space is just as important as the decorative elements, so choose one that speaks to you. Winter greenery is the heart of a winter wreath. For a French country look, we'll focus on using sprigs of pine, eucalyptus, or even fresh juniper. These greenery options add both fragrance and texture to the wreath, creating a sense of wintry freshness. Use a mix of soft green foliage with hints of silver or blue, which are typical of French country decor. To attach the greenery, simply cut them into smaller sprigs and use floral wire or hot glue to secure them to the base. Layer the sprigs for fullness, starting from the outside and working your way inward. Don't be afraid to let some greenery spill over the edges of the wreath. This adds a natural, effortless vibe to your design. To enhance the natural feel of your wreath, consider adding clusters of berries. Red, white, or even frosted blueberries can bring a pop of color and contrast against the greenery. Berries also add a festive touch, making them perfect for winter, especially if you're celebrating the holiday season. You can choose to go with realistic faux berries, or even dried ones that offer a more rustic vintage feel. When placing berries, scatter them throughout the wreath so that they aren't too concentrated in one area. This will keep the wreath balanced and visually interesting. For a touch of French country elegance, add some vintage-inspired ribbons. Soft, textured fabrics like burlap, lace, or checkered patterns work beautifully with the rustic aesthetic of this wreath. A classic striped ribbon, for instance, can evoke the style of traditional French market baskets. To create a cohesive look, wrap the ribbon loosely around the wreath, or use it to create a bow at the top or bottom. The fabric accents should feel relaxed and effortless, as though they've been gathered over time. The goal is to add dimension without overwhelming the natural elements of the wreath. Dried flowers are a staple in French country decor, bringing a timeless charm to any space. Lavender, cotton stems, and dried roses are all excellent choices for our winter wreath. Lavender, in particular, evokes the essence of the French countryside and will add a pleasant fragrance to the wreath as well. Arrange the dried flowers in small clusters and carefully secure them with wire or hot glue. The faded, soft colors of the dried petals will contrast beautifully with the deep greens and reds of the winter greenery, creating a layered and textured effect. These touches of elegance are what will truly give your wreath its French country flair. To make your wreath even more authentically French country, think about incorporating rustic elements like pine cones, cinnamon sticks, or even small wooden accents. These pieces can bring a grounded, earthy feel that enhances the natural aesthetic of your wreath. Pine cones, in particular, are a lovely addition during winter, adding texture and depth. When placing these rustic accents, keep the overall design balanced. Don't overcrowd the wreath with too many elements. Just a few strategically placed items can go a long way in creating a look that feels both natural and curated. While French country decor is traditionally rustic, adding a bit of metallic detail can elevate the look and bring a subtle sophistication to your wreath. A few gold or silver-painted pine cones, for example, can add a hint of elegance without overwhelming the rustic vibe. To keep things subtle, consider adding small metallic accents, like gold leaf or a delicate shimmer to the edges of the greenery. These touches of sparkle will catch the light and create a festive atmosphere, perfect for the winter season. A simple but effective way to add texture and charm to your wreath is by incorporating natural twine. You can use twine to tie small bundles of greenery, wrap it around the wreath space, or even create a loop for hanging the wreath. The rough texture of the twine complements the more delicate elements, like lace or dried flowers, and brings a sense of cohesion. Twine adds an effortless, handmade quality that feels both vintage and rustic. It's a perfect material to tie everything together in a cohesive way. You can also use twine to create small decorative bows or attach small objects to the wreath for added interest. One of the joys of creating a French country winter wreath is the opportunity to make it your own. Consider personalizing your wreath with small touches like monogrammed ornaments, family heirlooms, or even tiny wooden tags with your favorite winter quotes. These personalized elements will make your wreath even more meaningful and special. Adding these touches can also make the wreath feel more like a reflection of your own home. If you have a particular color scheme in your home, feel free to integrate these tones into your wreath for a more cohesive look. Personalizing your wreath will give it that extra bit of warmth and charm. Once your wreath is complete, it's time to hang it. Whether you choose to hang it on your front door, above the fireplace, or in an entryway, make sure it's displayed in a place where it can truly shine. You can use a simple nail or hook to hang the wreath, but consider using a velvet ribbon or burlap to create a more decorative hanging element. For added sophistication, make sure the wreath is hung at eye level so it can be admired by anyone who enters the room. If you're hanging it on a door, ensure the wreath doesn't obstruct any hardware, such as a door knocker or handles. The key is to keep the wreath's beauty the focal point of the space. To ensure your wreath stays looking beautiful throughout the winter season, a little care is required. Keep it away from direct sunlight to prevent the dried flowers and greenery from fading too quickly. If it's exposed to the elements outside, make sure it's in a protected area where it won't be damaged by rain or wind. You can also lightly dust your wreath with a soft cloth or a blow dryer on the lowest setting to remove any dirt or debris. If any greenery begins to look a little too dry, you can carefully replace it with fresh sprigs. This way, your wreath will continue to bring charm to your home all season long. Once your wreath is finished, why not share your creation with others? French Country Decor has such universal appeal that it's a lovely gift idea for friends or family. You could even create a wreath-making workshop with loved ones, sharing your passion for rustic winter decor and spreading the joy of crafting. If you do create this wreath, be sure to tag us on social media or leave a comment below with your own version. We would love to see how you bring the French country style into your own home. And there you have it, your very own French country winter wreath, filled with warmth, elegance, and timeless charm. We hope this video inspired you to create something beautiful and unique for your home this season. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Let us know what you think or share your favorite winter wreath tips. Thank you so much for joining us today at Decor. We look forward to bringing you more seasonal home decor ideas to inspire your space. Until next time, happy decorating, and remember, it's all about making your home feel like a cozy retreat.